Hi everyone, welcome to the Robert Show. We are here at AWS Reinvent and look who I have with me, Ronen, CEO of K2View. Ronen, last year we were here, exactly, we were discussing about various things around AI, agents and much more. I'm kind of curious to learn from you, and obviously you were at the keynote as well. What changed from last year to this year? Tell us about it, and all years wanting to learn everything today.
So first, really glad to be here. It's amazing to see so many people all focused on cloud and AI.
Right.
I think there are 60,000 people. Even it's this evening, it's like still very, very busy here in the event. I think if last year the cloud event have become like an AI event, this year it's all focused on basically agents, and really more than just AI innovation, it is focused on how can enterprises and customer get real ROI out of AI. So I think a very, very big change and very exciting time.
I love it. What have you been hearing from the customers as well? Because I know for a fact where AWS and K2View are partners, and y'all are on the marketplace as well. We are standing here at the marketplace booth. So I'm kind of curious to learn a little bit about that as well.
Yeah, so definitely K2View have been very successfully going to market with AWS and with the AWS Marketplace. We actually are showing multiple customers that are leveraging K2View as the data product platform that really powers with real-time enterprise data, Bedrock and Anthropic on AWS. Really exciting use cases.
Nice.
This has been a really effective partnership and effective go-to-market.
That's awesome. Looking ahead in 2026, how are you kind of seeing the space evolving? Because 2026 is just around the corner. So how do you kind of see the space evolving? And also, what about the partnership with AWS? How do you kind of want to make sure it strengthens for the customers, and how can they benefit the most out of it?
Yes, so I think if we're looking into 2026, I think the innovation in AI is not going to stop. It's actually going to continue to accelerate. And I think we're seeing this innovation happening on the hardware side, basically on the AI models, non-stop innovation. I think this is the time that the data layer is actually going to see also a real boost in innovation, and I'm really looking for K2View to lead a big portion of that new innovation.
I love it.
Yes, I think you asked about the partnership with AWS,
yes.
And I think AWS is really enabling customers to do more with their data, more with the infrastructure, really enabling new use cases to be successful. Our job is basically to make the data from the on-prem to the cloud available in an optimized way to those customers.
Love it. Ronen, these are fantastic insights, and I'm pretty sure the customers are going to benefit a lot out of this partnership. But one more thing which was announced today at, obviously at the keynote was the agentic AI category. We are seeing almost close to 2,300 plus tools that Marketplace has, which is amazing. But and K2View is one of those as well. How do you suggest the AWS users to make the most of it when they come to Marketplace, but also when they can learn what K2View is up to?
So I think what we're doing today is really making data agents available for the customers. And when you talk about data agent, you can look at it all the way from agent that generates synthetic data for you so that you can automate your testing, an agent that generates synthetic data so you can teach your model, an agent that actually automate the availability of answers to different questions that are coming into your call center or into your HR department, etc. I think this change of not just delivering software and capabilities, but really delivering agents, an agent that can work alone, but agent that can work with other agents. This is kind of the next thing. I think on our level of innovation, you're seeing more and more data agents available, and we're going to make this agent available in the AWS Marketplace. It's really exciting to see the AWS announcement and where the marketplace is going, and I think it's all about agentic.
All about agentic. That's awesome. Ronen, first of all, thanks for doing this. Thanks for taking the time out. We really appreciate you every year. This is like a ritual we're following. And it is such a pleasure to always have you on the Ravit Show and discuss about agents, about how the space is moving. And obviously K2View is doing its best to cater to the larger enterprises and making it easier for those enterprise leaders. So thanks again.
Hey, my pleasure, and great to be here, and excited for the show and for what's coming next.
Thank you very much.
Hey,
have a
great to see
fantastic
you.
2026. Thank you.
you.
Thank you everyone for joining us.